In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add voice effects on Instagram voice messages. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the messaging page. For that, click on this icon given at the bottom middle. Now, here you're going to find all of your conversation. Open any chat where you want to send a voice message. At the bottom of the chat, press and hold the microphone icon to begin recording your voice message just like you normally would. If you want hands-free recording, simply swipe up while recording to lock the microphone so you don't have to keep holding the button. Once you finish recording your message, don't send it immediately. Instead, look for the voice effects or effects icon that appears on the screen and tap on it. Instagram will then show you different voice effects such as chipmunk, robot, alien, stadium, and more. Tap on any effect to preview how your voice sounds with that filter applied. Once you find the effect you like, simply select it and Instagram will automatically apply it to your voice message. After that, hit the send button and your voice message will be delivered with the selected voice effect. And that's it. This is how you can easily add voice effects to your voice message on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.